Number 1. In this module, you will learn number 1.
Hey Neil, come see! Mom bought a new card game for me. Wow, that's great! My mom showed me how to play with it. Let's open it. Let's take out all the cards from the number box. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little numbers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little numbers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little numbers. This is one fish. Can you find the number 1 card out of this collection? 1. Yes, this is number 1. Do you know how to write number 1? Yes, I will show you. We can write 1 by drawing a standing line. This is how we can write 1.
Can you write 1 now?
A standing line, and then we are done. Number 1 is a lot of fun. A standing line, and then we are done. Number 1 is a lot of fun. A standing line, and then we are done. Number 1 is a lot of fun. Look at me. I am 1. One.
Let's recap.
A standing line, and then we are done. Number 1 is a lot of fun. 1.